Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations, though, because it's just my trade journal. Price action, order flow levels, Wednesday, June 7th, 2023. And I've got here, just on this intro, a chart or charts, 4-hour charts here. Left, NAS, middle, the S&P, and the DAXY dollar. So I'm of course trading the S&Ps, and look what we've got up here: complete congestion, consolidation. So I'm taking a big risk off right now. Better to be cautious. It's not ideal. A lot of 4-hour bars here, and we're right in that new week open zone area, and we're in between the last 2 days of RTH open, the 5th and the 6th, as you can see. In this whole red rectangle is a volume imbalance. So that's the 4-hour breakdown. I've got a few other charts. Let's get to it. So for top shelf money management, I always love to read a book about good, down-to-earth money management, and the latest one I'm reading is called Quit by Annie Duke, famous poker player, The Power of Knowing When to Walk Away. So she says, quote, regarding expert poker pros, they are better at making quitting decisions than their opponents, which is all you need to win. Okay, I got nothing on, no positions, completely flat, and I may be resigned to that for the whole day of Wednesday just because I'm not liking the chart action here with all these consolidated candles. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this Tuesday candle dipped into the fair value gap on the daily, but it couldn't do anything with the body of the candle. Only a discount candle wick did it, and it didn't even meet the halfway point of this whole yellow rectangle, which is the fair value gap. And here we are on the high. We're not that far away, 43.05. This thing could still charge ahead. So I don't want to be long under any circumstance, but I definitely don't want to be stubborn either, and we're not getting it done on the shorts, even for mild retracements. If we look at the major new week open gap below this 42.8850 right here, it's way down here, as I pointed out in the previous video, at 42.31. So that would be ideal. We get to that by sometime this week, but it doesn't look like that. And again, I'm blaming it on the spread calendar traders' manual manipulation, because we've got a lot of futures contracts that are rolling over from June to September here in the coming days. So that has an impact, I feel, and I want to be very defensive, risk off until I see a clear setup. So there you have it. It's a little bit lengthier, 24-hour, but again, if you don't see the setup, why are you in the game risking capital? Even if it's a prop funded account, I wouldn't want to be risking anything here on this. So there you have it. Let's go to the next chart. Okay, 60-minute chart for structure. This vertical on the left, blue line, that's the New York midnight. And this next one is London. So here's New York, 42.94. London, 42.89.25 is where it came in. And currently, price as I shoot this video, it's definitely been under during Europe so far. And we have a sell signal on the order flow algo. But consolidated structure, look at the handle range here. 14.25 handle range so far. It's modest handle range. So the high, Asia Globex, 42.95.75, and the low so far, 42.81.50. So there's your 14 plus handles. Next chart. So the number one reason for money management decision to sit on the sidelines until further information is this Renko. Look at the volatilities above and below the red line. So you can see prior day, the low here, we still were miles away from the lower blue Keltner, and upper, same. The upper blue Keltner's not been hit in many, many hours. So here we are in Globex. Where are we? We're just flirting around with this red. So that's where the vacation is right now for price. And that is not a good spot, period, end of story. I'm looking at the Renko, and I've got no escape velocity on this middle. That's a stay out signal, and it's better just to wait, see which side is going to gravitate. The lower blue is 42.62, totally doable. And if we want to go back and touch these highs again, the upper blue is 43.07. And sure, I'd be all about taking a shot at a short there, but there'll be no longs for me here, even if we go down to this blue. So there you have it. That's the Wednesday, June 7th video. I appreciate you stopping by and taking a look. Take care. Aloha. Bye.